Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Snackbar in Material UI. This Snackbar is a component that basically we use in mobile application development, and we want to show some information for short duration of time. Let's understand here how we can use it. So for that, I have created a new component here in which I have used this typography. So structure I have designed here, and in this structure I have this output only. Now I will design the snack bar by pressing on a button. So here I say that I have another box layout. Under this box layout I pass here margin also to 2, and here I pass margin from the top to 3, and here I pass the button. So I say here button component like this, and here in this button component I pass show snack bar, and here I pass variant is equal to content. I pass color equal to secondary, and here I pass on click equal to handle click like that. Now I take here snack bar, so I say snack bar from material UI, and here it is self closing right now. Now I take here open property, and here I provide the open state variable to open it. Then I have a message, so I can display message. This is snack bar of material UI. Save this. Now I just create a state variable and this function for handle click, and I can also have function to close it. So I just create a state variable right now. I say const open set open, and here I say use state like that. Here I pass false by default. Then I create this function handle click. Here also I use arrow function, and I set open to true. Save this, and you see that we have an output like that. I click on this, and this is the snack bar from material UI display here, and you see that by default there is no closing button, and it would not hide automatically because we have to set the duration also. So for that I have to pass one more property. I say auto hide duration, and here I pass 400 milliseconds. But you see that after providing this, it would not automatically close because it cannot be closed by this property only. We have to pass one more property to close it, that is on close, and here we have to specify handle close function, or we have a handle close function here, and this function I just create here. I copy and paste, and I say handle close, and here I pass false to close it. Save this, and now you see that it automatically close. I click on this, and after 400 millisecond, so I can increase this duration also. So I say that duration is 700 right now, and you see that if I click on this, it will show and automatically close for certain period of time. I can say 1 second. You see, click on this, and you see it will display for 1 second and automatically close. So if we want to make snack bar, we have to pass message property, we have to pass open property, duration, and then close property. So these property too we have to set together. Now we have certain more options also here. Suppose I clicking here and I want to show this snack bar in center of the screen. So we have some other property. I say anchor origin, and in this I need to pass an object. In this object I have to say the vertical position of this vertical position. So vertical position I say it is bottom, and then I say horizontal position. Horizontal position, I say horizontal position is in the center of the screen. Save this, and you see that when I click this and it display in the center of the screen. Similarly, I can set other option also. In vertical we have top, bottom and middle position, and in horizontal I have left, right and center, and vertically I have a top and bottom, so I can change this to top also. So if I save this, so it will go to the top of the screen like this. So it depends on us, but by default we always use this snack bar to display at the bottom and center of the screen. You see, like this. We have another property also by which we can show from which direction it will come. If I click it, it automatically display here, but I can also set some transition effect on this snack bar. So how I can set this? Transition component, and here I need to pass one function. That function will take props as a property, and under this I have to use a component is called slide component from Material UI, and in this slide component I need to pass first of all this property. This is coming from the function like this, and then I have to pass direction. So which direction I want this transition? So I say from the left direction I want. So I save this. So you see we have a slide here, and I am passing here these property which I am passing here, and we have a direction also. So I refresh it, and again I click on it. You see it coming first time, but it is not coming second and third time. Why? Because this close function will have two parameters that we have to pass. So here I need to pass event, then I have to pass reason, and here I need to set that if there is a reason equal to click away, then I do not need to do anything. I say return and save this. So now I try to do this, refresh it, and I click one time is coming, click this, second time is coming, click this, third time is coming. So you remember that this close operation is not a simple one. We have to pass two parameter also, that event and reason, and here we can pass if there is a click away, then we have to simply return, otherwise we have to close. So like that way we can use snack bar in Material UI. You see that by default this snack bar have this black screen and black color. So this color and this screen we can also change, and that is called customize snack bar. How we can do this we will see in next video also. That's all in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.